Here's a little something I want to share with you that I do when I'm making a bra out of knit. This is the Landsdowne pattern. It's got a 2-piece cup, and this is some yummy bamboo cotton knit, and I'm lining it with sheer cup line. This is bra tulle. Has a little bit more stretch than sheer cup lining, not as strong, but it matches. Kind of really it's more supportive for the bamboo, but it kind of matches being a stretch bra. And this is the inner cup. This is the part that will lay, on your chest. It's a plunge bra, frontless. So what I want to show you is I'm doing the upper cup double. I cut it on the fold, and because it's knit, it's a very soft knit. Let's move that one out of the way. What I'm going to do, I've pressed it so I have a seam here. I'm going to draw a line. Draw a line right in the center of the seam. Draw 2 lines just to make sure, because what I'm going to do is put a neckline elastic there. This is my invisible ink pen. Is it working? Yeah. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the clear elastic right along on this side, on the inside fold. So I'm going to fold it over. So I'm going to stitch the clear elastic right on this side, right beside the folded edge, so that I can have a little hug on my neckline from this soft knit. Watch. Here's my folded piece. This is the piece that's going to be outside. Here's the side that's folded underneath, that's going to lay across your body. And here's my center, and I'm going to put the elastic on the side that's going to lay on my neckline. So give myself some handling room, and I'm just going to zigzag this elastic like we normally put it on lace, but I'm going to zigzag it on to the right of the fold. I'm going to pull it just taut. I'm not going to pull it too tight. Just pull it just a little. Just enough to give it a little hug. And then there it is. I'm going to give it a little press. There's my fold over there. Then I'm going to just kind of lay it around the boob hem. This iron is very warm. It's just warm. It's nowhere near hot. If you've got this iron, I've got it on 2. Okay. So here is my upper cup with a little elastic right there to give it a nice hug on your chest since it's knit. Okay, good luck.